At the Knox County Parks and Recreation Department, we strive to build fun. We want to help create a great community by providing excellent parks, programs, and places for folks to enjoy life and improve health. Our motto? To live, laugh, and play. The Knox County Parks and Recreation Department oversees roughly 2,700 acres of parkland, including more than 40 parks, some 25 miles of greenways and unpaved bike trails, dozens and dozens of sports fields, and a number of splash pads, golf courses, beaches, and dog parks. In July 2018, we opened Plumb Creek Park, a 33-acre park off Hickey Road not too far from the Pellissippi Parkway on the west side of Knox County. Let's take a look. Plumb Creek features a playground for the children to enjoy and a pavilion for family and friends to host picnics and birthday parties. Visitors also could take a short walk around the park, try their skills at the 9-hole par 3 disc or foot golf course, or let their dogs run leash-free in the 2 fenced-in dog parks. In addition, the park features a 54-space parking lot, 2 walking trails that combine for 1.2 miles, 2 dog parks, a 7-acre one for the large dogs, and a 1-acre area for the small canines. The park also includes restrooms, water fountains for people and their pets, and a pedestrian bridge that crosses a Beaver Creek tributary. Plumb Creek Park is open from dawn to dusk. For more information, contact the Parks and Recreation Department at 865-215-6600.